Video, I'm going to show you how to use the monorail angle system, and we're going to do two geometric designs. One's a diamond and the other one is a hexagon. But before we use that, the first thing we need to do is cut a strip. And we're going to use a 2-inch strip. So as before, put your ruler on, get it right on 2 inches, tighten it down, and score. Take your arm off. You don't want to drop it. Okay, we have our 2-inch strip. Now, this particular one is the monorail for the angle system. And what I've done is I've attached it to the table, and I've just made it to where it's perpendicular to the strip cutter monorail. It doesn't have to be exactly perpendicular, because when you use the monorail, you're actually using this and this to do the angle. And as you can see, when we put it on the monorail, it fits very, very tight. Now, before I show you how to use the monorail angle system, I just got through cutting glass, so I need to brush. Always brush. There's always little pieces laying around, and they're going to scratch your glass, and then you're going to wonder what happened. Let's bring this down. It's loose, so it'll go any which way. And we're going to set the monorail at 60 degrees. Now, we're setting it at 60 degrees in order to make a diamond, and then the diamond we're going to turn into a hexagon. You can make diamonds with different degrees other than 60, but in order to turn it into a hexagon, we'll need the 60-degree angle. Tighten it down. Okay. Now the strip cutter is still set at 2 inches. So the first thing we want to do is cut a correct angle on the strip. And you score. Okay. I've looked at it. There's no nubbins. Where if you have one, it may, we do have a nubbin. And you're going to have to correct it. So before I do that, you can grind it off. But here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut another strip off. Okay, it's nice and clean. No nubbins. Bring it all the way down. And score. And you have a diamond. Okay, in order to make a hexagon, let's pull this down a little bit. I want to make sure it's up. Bring it down to where you're comfortable and you've got it in there good and tight. The next step is to make sure we have our strip cutter arm at 2 inches. We're going to drop it to 1 inch. And again, right over the top. Or turn it around and score again. Break it. You have a hexagon and 2 isosceles triangles.